Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to customize icons in Oukitel RT8. You can do it by downloading X Icon Changer from Google Play Store. Let's go to Play Store and search for X Icon Changer. Now press on X Icon Changer, press on Install, Consent. I will need to rotate my tablet. And now, let's choose an app of which an icon I want to change. I will choose phone, and now I can either choose an icon from library, an icon from my photos, or an icon of an existing app on my tablet by unlocking it by watching an advertisement. I will choose an app from library, and I will set this green phone icon. Now press on OK and close it. Now you can press on Add to Home Screen and go back to your home screen, and how you can see a phone app with a different icon showed up on my home screen. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.